Welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you 4 tips which you must avoid during your interviews. As an interviewer for last couple of years, I saw that these simple things which can be easily avoided are done frequently by our interviewees. If you do not want to make these mistakes, keep watching. My number 1 tip is never be ashamed of your long year of graduation. I know that majority of the program have cut off either maybe 3 or 5 years. However, when they are offering you interview, that means they are genuinely interested in you. So when you are talking about your year of graduation, highlight what did you do and what did you learn from it. Last year, one of the candidates told me when I asked him that what he was doing for 7 years after his graduation. The immediate reply he gave me, yeah, it's a problem. That is not the answer I want to hear. And my main reason for that question was that I genuinely want to know that what did he do after the graduation. Life is not bed of roses. Completing steps, applying for residency require a lot of financial and family support. Not everyone has that. Maybe you did not do residency. Maybe your year of graduation is more than 5 years. However, maybe you are now married. You are now a new parent. Maybe you supported your family through a non-clinical job. Always remember, all those things are part of your life. All those experiences helped you, shaped you, the person who you are now. So take that pride. Tell them what did you do, what did you learn from those experiences, and how you will be able to utilize those skills during your residency. For example, if you worked in a grocery store, in that job, you worked with people, you developed the communication skill, you learned maybe how to work under pressure. You can definitely bring those qualities during your residency. So never be ashamed if you were not able to apply or not able to get matched within that 3 to 5 years cutoff. As long as you get the interview, take that opportunity and express yourself. Number 2, avoid uptalk. Uptalk means when our voice go in upward, the rising intonation makes an impression of question. For example, I'm very happy to be here. Are you really happy to be here? It doesn't sound like to me because your sentence is ending in a question. On the other hand, if you want to sound confident and competent, make sure you are not ending your sentence in upward direction. Make sure either you are ending your sentence in maybe in straight intonation or maybe little bit downward, but never in the upward that it sounds like question. I found that uptalk is done by both male and female. It's not extremely gender specific. However, at the same time, if you are mindful, you can always avoid uptalk. Always remember, if you are not confident about your answer, how will I be confident about you? So in order to make sure that you look and sound confident, competent, so that the interviewer trusts you, avoid uptalk. Number 3, always make sure that you are reviewing your ERAS application personal statement before the interview. Never ever go to the interview without reviewing your ERAS CV and personal statement. As an interviewer, I get really frustrated and surprised when the candidates do not know if I ask them something from their personal statement. Imagine you on the spot of interviewer. How would you feel about that candidate? You will be curious that did that really candidate write that personal statement, or did those experience which they mentioned in that ERAS CV? So never go to the interview without reviewing your ERAS application and personal statement. Number 4, which is extremely important. Do not make any answer which is more than 1 to 2 minutes. In my mind, 2 minutes will be the highest limit. The interviewer is scheduled between 15 to 20 minutes for your interview. Imagine if you are taking 5 minutes just only to tell me about yourself. The interviewer even will not get the chance to ask you about your strength or why do you want to come or some other questions that really reflect your dedication and your strength. So be vigilant that your answers must not be more than 1 to 2 minutes. In addition, human brain is always busy. We are always thinking. If we are making our answer long, by the time the interviewer lose their attention and concentration. So no answers must be more than 1 to 2 minutes. In conclusion, these 4 major tips you must avoid during your interview, which are: never be ashamed of your year of graduation, take pride. What did you learn? Highlight that. Number 2, avoid uptalk. Number 3, never go to the interview without reviewing your ERAS application and personal statement. Number 4, answers must not be more than 2 minutes. If you want me to make any video on any particular topics, please put it in the comments. Please like my video and share with your friends. And also please subscribe this channel. I know coming to this interview took a lot of dedication from you. Keep going, keep practicing, and you will shine. I will see you in the next video.